Hey, Punch Love Women's Fitness. We are actually 3 women's boxing gyms in northwest Sydney, and we specialise in working with women that are 35 to 60 years of age, maybe getting back into training, haven't trained for a while because of family or work commitments, and they're looking for a safe community to come and train in a luxury environment. We are located in northwest Sydney. We have a studio at Windsor, who just had her 10th birthday. We also have a studio at Karina Groth and Castle Hill. Key areas of growth are in Greater Sydney, as well as the Central Coast and out past the mountains towards Lithgow and Bathurst. Oh my gosh, what don't I love about what we do? I'm very lucky to be the co-founder of Punch Love with my beautiful best friend, Nick, and we love working with women to actually help them create whatever their best life is. And that can be through health and wellness, it could be through weight loss programs, or it could be coming on some of our wellness retreats. So we just love making women feel amazing about themselves. Ideal person to become a franchise partner would be somebody that is preferably worked in the fitness industry, has an understanding about how the dynamics of that work. Somebody in that 35 to 60-year-old age bracket is also going to be perfect, because we are real women that are working with real women, and that type of franchise partner is going to be really relatable to our target audience. So our franchise offer, we provide exceptional support in terms of not only initial stages of sales and onboarding. We have a very, very good system of opening with clients, walking through the door instead of starting from a ground zero. And we also, as former business coaches, we work one-on-one in terms of working with the franchisee to make sure that they're meeting key scorecard KPIs and really help be proactive about making changes. Common misconception could be around the style of training that we actually do. We are boxing studios with strength training as well. So we work on bags, we do not punch each other, there is no sparring. That can often be a misconception. I think maybe a lack of understanding about the nature of our brand as being very boutique. We are a luxury premium experience, which is a really beautiful place to come and train. That was actually a friend of ours over a barbecue and a few drinks one night. So we must give credit where credit is due to him. He actually came up with that name. Key focus is actually to build our network of franchisees. We would love to develop an intimate group of franchisees that builds the community within that and help them succeed and create a legacy for their families as well.